Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to show you how to get the absolute best, flawless, most poreless skin ever. Look at this technique. So here's what you're going to need. Take your favorite foundation, preferably a liquid one. You're also going to need a brush. This is very important. So I'm going to use my F4 brush, which is probably the greatest foundation brush in the world. Now this technique will give you airbrushed watercolor effect skin. So here's what to do. Get your foundation and shake it. Then apply one pump into the palm of your hand. That's all you need. Now take your foundation brush and work the foundation into the bristles and really work it. Push and use pressure to get every single drop into the brush. Now, the reason you need to do this is because every bit of the product is now in here and it's almost dry because you've been working it like a painter's palette. Now you want to shoe shine whatever's on the brush onto your skin. And this now will give you poreless, flawless results, no streaking because the foundation is dry instantly because you've worked it into the hand, into the brush. Long gone are the days of all that foundation moving everywhere. This technique, it just doesn't happen. If you need more coverage, apply another pump and work it. And the best thing, depending on the foundation you've used, because this dries instantly, you don't need to powder it unless you want to. That is the airbrush foundation technique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.